It is the 27th of March, 2019. I got a little bit of a power pack put together. I'll show you that there's in a bit here. So this is supposed to hold 6 batteries, but right now it's only going to hold 2. And it's wired to a little boost converter that goes USB, and then the USB powers up a little minion over there. So we're just going to put the camera down. I stuck the battery in backwards. That, of course, is something that I should check. Okay, now that I've stuck it in properly, we see a little red LED on the USB boost pack. And we see the little yellow LED on for the minion. We're going to take a look. Switch is in the off position. Flip it to the on position. Take this and flip it to the on position. It's synced. And somehow I'm going to do this and so I'm going to change hands here. Anyway, that's my very unexpert one-handed driving of the truck. But the ramp feature, as you can see, is functional. Which is not the way that it came out of the box, so that's it. Video is done. Take the battery out. Because I don't have a switch. Shut the power pack off. And the demonstration is done for today.